everyone, I'm Nafia and I'm an IELTS trainer at IELTSmaterials.com. So you all know that the IELTS exam comprises of 4 sections: listening, reading, writing and speaking. So today we are going to look at the reading section of the IELTS exam. So the reading section of the IELTS exam is different for both academic tests and general tests. In the academic tests, the reading section comprises of 3 long passages with questions below each of them. These passages can be on academic topics of general interest. The texts are taken from journals, newspapers, magazines. And moving on to the general test. The general test comprises of 3 sections too. The first section has 2 or 3 factual text, which is about everyday life in an English-speaking country. The second section has factual text relating to work, and the third section has 1 complex text on a general topic, just like how it is in an academic section.